Imagine a place where everything seems perfect, just the way it is. Now picture that world being turned upside down. Scary, right? This is Arin. He's a young monk who loves his routine. Everything is predictable, and he feels safe. But one day, everything changes. A huge storm hits the monastery, destroying many things. Arin is scared and doesn't know what to do. Arin, just like the river changes its course, so must we. Embrace the change, and you will grow stronger. Arin starts to see change as a chance to learn and grow. He helps rebuild the monastery and learns new skills. He finds strength he never knew he had. Soon, Arin finds peace and joy in the new routines. He realizes that change is a natural part of life and can help him discover new strengths. Remember, friends, life is always changing. Embrace it, and you'll find new opportunities to grow and become stronger. Change isn't something to fear. It's a chance to become who you're meant to be. Embrace it, live it, love it. If you like this story, hit the subscribe button and share your experiences with change in the comments below. Don't forget to watch our next video on achieving your dreams.